everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make scary cherry coffin pies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 of the refrigerated pie crust. They usually come in a 2-pack here. Then you need some kind of filling. So I am using the cherry pie filling. You could use strawberry jam, raspberry jam, anything that gives it the red look. Really, you could use any kind of jam or filling. It doesn't even have to be red. But since we're going to poke holes in this, I thought the red coming through would look the best since it's a creepy coffin for Halloween. And then if you would like to decorate the tops, you could get some kind of frosting, or I'm going to melt some white chocolate chips and try to maybe do some spiderweb designs or something like that. And then of course you need a cookie cutter. So I have this Coffin cookie cutter that I got. Pretty simple. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350, and then we are going to roll out 1 pie crust at a time, and you can either put that on a floured surface, a clean counter, or I'm going to put mine on top of some parchment paper and just cut out. You should be able to get 12 coffins out of each, so we should be able to make a total of 12 of the coffin pies. Alright, all of my coffins have been cut out, so I was able to get 10, and then I have 10 tops, so we'll have 10 all together. I did have to re-roll my dough out, I just put it in a ball and then just rolled it out with my rolling pin so I could actually get the 10 out of each of the pies. So next we are going to put a little bit of filling in the center of each. Be sure not to go to the edges because you don't want it to spill out. Alright, that looks good to me. I still have a lot of my pie filling left, though. I didn't even use half of my can. So I'm going to go ahead and put the tops on, and then we're going to take a fork and go along the edges to seal it all. Alright, that part was super messy, and as you can see, I made a big mess with my filling. I had all of mine too full, but I tried to just kind of wipe them all off as best I could, just so there wasn't a big, huge, globbly mess everywhere. But they actually look pretty creepy right now. And I'm going to stick them into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure after you seal all the edges that you do poke some holes in the top with your fork to let some of that air escape out of there, or you're going to have a big puffy mess. Alright, my little cherry filled coffins just came out of the oven, so we are going to let them cool completely before we try to decorate them at all. Alright, my little coffins are all cooled off, and you can see some of the cherry is seeping through the sides. It makes them look really creepy. So now I'm going to have some fun and draw maybe some spider webs with some spiders hanging off of them on them with my white and chocolate chips. So I'm just going to melt those in the microwave. Pour a little bit into each of these 2 bowls and melt them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. All of my coffins are decorated. I just kind of melted the white chocolate and the chocolate chips in bowls, put them in Ziploc bags, snipped off the ends, and went to town. I'm not the best at making spider webs and spiders, but I think they look spooky and adorable. So we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, after all, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Go and like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.